The Problems section, Top Shopify Apps to Boost Sales. Have you ever installed apps on your Shopify store but still didn't see any real increase in sales? You add one app, then another, then maybe 5 more, hoping something will finally work but your results stay the same. Here's the problem. Most Shopify store owners don't lack tools. What they lack is the right tools used the right way. There are thousands of Shopify apps out there, but not all of them are built to increase conversions and not all of them fit your store's actual needs. So what happens when you install apps that are not necessary for you? Your store will get heavier, slower and more complicated. Instead of improving sales, it starts hurting the customer experience. That's why many Shopify store owners feel stuck, because they're doing more and getting less in return. Click the like button to support us. Subscribe now to get notified when we upload another new video. The Mistakes section, Top Shopify Apps to Boost Sales, Tested and Proven Tools. The mistakes Shopify store owners make with apps is that they install based on hype, not strategy. When they see an app trending, they will read few reviews and add it to their store immediately without asking important question: what problem is this app actually solving in my store? But they will instead ending up installing multiple apps that do similar things or worse. Another mistake is thinking that more apps means more sales. In reality, more apps often mean slower load times, more distractions, and a confusing experience for customers. When a store is slow or cluttered, people don't stick around, they will leave. That's how store owners unknowingly reduce their own conversions, not because apps are bad but because they're used without a clear strategy. The Solution Plus Results section, Top Shopify Apps to Boost Sales, Tested and Proven Tools. Here's the smarter way to use Shopify apps. Stop installing apps randomly, start installing with purpose. Every app on your store should solve a specific problem. Need more trust? Use a review or testimonial app. Want higher conversions? Add urgency or upsell tools, looking to recover lost sales. Use abandoned cart and email automation apps. It's not about having many apps, it's about having the right ones working together. When your apps are aligned with your store goals, everything improves. Your store becomes faster, cleaner, more focused, and customers find it easier to make decisions. That's when you start seeing real results. Higher conversion rates, more completed checkouts, better performance from the same traffic. That's how smart Shopify store owners scale. If you want to see the tested Shopify apps that actually boost sales and how to use them correctly, click the link in our bio and type Top Shopify Apps to Boost Sales, Tested and Proven Tools in the search bar to unlock the full tools blueprint. And if you will prefer professionals to set up and optimize the right apps for your store, comment, hire, and let our Shopify-focused team handle everything for you. Shopify Genius, your satisfaction is our concern. Like, share, subscribe now to get notified when we upload another new video.